Hello once again, and today is February the 11th, and greetings from Japan, where we had snow last night, but it's disappearing because it was a nice sunny day. But I understand there was a lot of snow over most of the Tohoku and Kanto area. So today we have a 2012 March Toyota-Alphard-Hybrid. It's the 20 series hybrid. It's one of the first of the 20 series hybrids. They came out in late 2011, so this is actually a 2012 plate. It's the ATH20, and this particular model is the SR the SR C package, I believe. So it comes with full black leather and sunroofs and all the usual things you'd find in a GL Alphard, top of the range. The nice thing with this is black leather was an option. Some of them have the beige leather, but this one is the black leather, which is very nice. And of course, being hybrid, it is four-wheel drive. Okay, and the mileage is 60,000 miles or 96,000 kilometers. These things come in the auctions with 250 to 300,000 kilometers on. The hybrids are very reliable. Remember, Toyota's been making hybrids since 1997, and so their technology with hybrids is, well, they're leaders in the field. I mean, this is a really nice car. We did a little bit of plastic paint, and we did dent repair on a wing. So, but the car is now very nice indeed. So it's nice. It's got Sonar parking sensors, HID AFS lights, of course, factory standard alloy wheels, and we prefer actually on the hybrids to leave the factory size wheels on the cars. Got good Bridgestone tires. Okay, winker mirrors. You can see it's the hybrid. And nice clean body panels. Again, as usual, please view the Dropbox link with all the photographs and comprehensive photographs of the underneath of the car, and a nice straight unmarked rear bumper, again with Sonar parking sensors. Okay, so let's unlock the car. It's got automatic retracting mirrors and a power remote rear gate. And as mentioned, it has full black leather interior, twin sunroofs, rear entertainment with the premium sound system, the extra center headrest is inside this zip pocket here. So it has the extra headrest if you ever need it. Okay. It's the hybrid E4. So, because it obviously has a hybrid electric motor on the rear wheels. Okay. Everything is just really clean. Oops. There's keyless entry if you have the key in your pocket. Just touching the doors will open the doors. Alright, so 2012 March Alphard-Hybrid, the 20 Series Hybrid, top of the range with the full black leather, sunroofs, premium sound, all the usual things. Right. Let's look in the back. Both sliding doors, remote, of course. Just a really comfortable car. There's a rear remote, and well, the monitor's not open, but anyway, as you can see, the multiple roof, ceiling speakers, and as usual, we have put the handles on so the seats can be moved sideways, allowing you to slide the middle seats much further back. For some reason the factory doesn't put them on, but they're not complicated to install. So it just gives you more versatility in what you want to do in the back if you want to have a different configuration in the rear. Just nice, and these seats have power controls also, front and rear. Okay, close the doors. Take a look inside. The car comes with two remotes, two remote keys, and as I mentioned, it has all the usual features of the GL edition. It has memory driver seats, should you have more than one regular driver, and really nice condition carpet, hardly worn at all. Very nice interior. With these cars, the interiors are important because there's not a lot you can do with a car that's got a tired interior. You know, a car with a little bit of plastic paint is really not a problem, but a tired interior is very hard to do anything with. And so, okay, let's start the car. It's a hybrid, so whether the engine will kick in or not, I don't know. But anyway, the warning lights are all off. Yeah, it's kicking in, so if you look in the Dropbox link of photographs, you'll see comprehensive reports of the hybrid systems, the diagnostics reports of the battery and the hybrid system. So we do all that on all hybrids, so you can be reassured there's no issues with the system. This one has a reverse camera with guidance. It has the manuals in here. This one comes with controls, so you can control the position of the passenger seat from the driver's seat, which is kind of useful. And here we have the heated front seats and EV mode, eco mode controls. We have a center box with a USB point and a 12 volt point. And okay, and again, zero evidence of the car being smoked in. Audio controls on the steering wheel, has cruise control, and as mentioned, it has the flip down monitor, the rear entertainment system, rear sunroof, front sunroof, and the interior remote controls for the door and the sunroof. And standard on these cars is the auto mirrors and auto lights. What else have we got? No, that's about it. It's very clean, very nice, clean dash. And of course, these cars all come with curtain airbags, side airbags, front airbags. I think one of the nicest features of this model is the black leather. It's very nice. And okay, let's have a look at the engine. It's the hybrid. Okay. Nice clean compartment. Nice clean grille. And we'll take a look at the auction sheet. This car came from a Toyota auction, and it's Heisei 24, which is 2012 March, 96,900, so that's 60,000 miles practically exactly. Toyota only graded it 3.5 DD. They really do crucify their cars, their own cars in particular. I mean, if this car was in USS, in a any USS auction, it would be grade 4B, undoubtedly. Mind you, we did do, the car did have a dented wing, which we've done, and a little bit of plastic paint. We did no paint to the metal panels at all. It wasn't necessary. So yeah, they do, as I say, they grade their cars very severely. It's, which is a good thing, because it gives you a more honest opinion of the car, and whereas, as I say, some of the other auctions, they're rather liberal with their grading, in our opinion, and we buy the majority of our cars, at least for the UK, we buy the majority of our cars from maker auctions, I would say, from Toyota, Nissan, and Honda. Their grading is a much higher standard. There is no universal grading system in Japan. If anybody ever tells you that, they're lying. There's a great disparity in one auction to another, and one auction system to another. And the safest auctions to buy from are the maker auctions, especially Toyota. And I mean, in the 25 years that I've been doing this, yeah, that is still true today. A lot of small accident cars in a car that in Toyota would be a grade RA, or a small accident. In many other auctions they'll be graded 3.5, and they'll just say repair to the rear step or dented rear member. And so it's awkward, because sometimes in the maker auctions you get very nice cars with insignificant dent in the back, but it's graded R or RA, and so they are difficult to buy because people are so leery of the grading, which is a little bit silly really, but still that's the way it is. Anyway, here we are, 2012 March, 20 series Alphard-Hybrid. Just a very nice car, top specs. That's Emma the Airedale saying hi, and just a really nice car. If you're looking for a hybrid, this is a good one. So if this car interests you, please contact Paul at JAA, Japan Auto Agents, and we can help you arrange the purchase of it, and we can arrange the shipping. Anyway, thanks for watching, and sorry this one's a little bit long, but yeah, thanks for watching, and bye for now.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.